This video is going to give you everything that you need to get started selling vendor lists. You can start making money today. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Natalie, and I've been doing digital products for over 3 years. So I'm so excited to help you get started. Watch this full video. This is all you'll need to start making money today. What is a vendor's list? A vendor's list is a document that has a list of wholesale providers for different products. To get started, you want to decide what type of vendor list that you want to sell. Different type of vendors lists are clothing, earrings, jewelry, purses, lashes, electronics, and more. You can create as many vendors lists as you want to and create passive income. Secondly, where do you find vendors lists? A lot of the popular sites are AliExpress, Alibaba. They all have hundreds and hundreds of vendors, and all you have to do is go on the app, type in what type of vendor you're looking for, and it will populate hundreds of different vendors that offer what you're trying to sell. If you're looking for purse vendors, all you have to do is type in purses, and it'll give a list of all different vendors. Click on those vendors, message them, talk to them, ask them about their products, ask to see brochures, and then ask them if they have a WhatsApp number or email that people can contact them with. A lot of these vendors are out of the country, so people are going to need to have a WhatsApp in order to communicate with them people. And keep in mind that, like, if you get a vendor in China, they're going to be asleep when you're awake. So you have to be up late at night to communicate with these people sometimes. Another website is Wholesale Central. Fashion Go as well has a lot of vendors as well. And you can do something as simple as a Google search or a TikTok search and find hundreds of vendors as well. Secondly, you're going to want to have your document. You're going to need a cover for that, and you're going to need the document itself. So you can go and use Google Sheets and go in there and just type in the headers and then put all the information on that and save it as a PDF document. And then if you don't know how to do that, then you can go on Fiverr, have somebody do it for you. I go use Fiverr all the time for everything in all my businesses. And also for your cover art, you're going to want to be able to maybe put your picture on there, a design, cute graphics, and you can go on Canva and create a cute device. It's so easy to use Canva, and you can use it for free to create your design. And also you can go, like I said, on Fiverr and have somebody tell them what you want, and you can find somebody to create your cover for as little as $5. So it doesn't cost much to get started with this. What you're going to want to include in your vendors list is their name, the type of vendor they are, where they're located, phone number, email. Third thing you're going to need is a platform to distribute your document and your vendors list on. So here are a few. You can create a website using Shopify, or you can use stanstore. I personally use stanstore. It's $29 a month. It's so easy to use. A website might take a little bit more work and a little bit more money. So when you're just getting started, you can create a stanstore, and it's so easy. You just put a picture up there, type in your information, and you're able to take payments, and it'll automatically send your vendors list out as soon as they make the payment. It's hands-free, and this vendor list can become passive income. I will put the link to the stanstore sign up in my description as well. Some people use Etsy and Gumroad. Check out those as well and just choose which one's comfortable for you. Number 4, and most importantly, you're going to need to sell your vendors list. And in order to sell your vendors list, you're going to have to create content. When you're creating content, you want to have your audience in mind. Who is your audience? Well, those are the people that are going to want to potentially purchase your vendors list. And who are those people? Okay, they are people who want to start a business, entrepreneurs. So create content around that. Also, your content has to be appealing. It has to catch people's eyes. Also, you must be consistent with your content. You got to be posting every day. People will have to continue to see your face. Most people don't make a purchase until they see something 5 times or more. So every day you should have something coming out. Every day, I don't care what it is. Make sure that you're doing the work. And don't worry about everything's being perfect. Practice makes perfect. Just start making the content and it'll come to you. It'll get easier. You'll find your style. That brings me to, which platform are you going to use to promote your vendors list? Some people like Instagram. Some people like TikTok. I personally love TikTok. It's so easy to grow and you get more reach on TikTok. Some people use YouTube. I use YouTube as well. Keep in mind, you can use all of these. A lot of your content, if you create one video, it can go on all different platforms. Let's talk about short form content. You can make a 5-second to 10-second B-roll video and use that for a whole bunch of videos. All you have to do is make videos recording anytime you're doing something. Say you're sitting down, you can make videos of you drinking coffee. So anytime you're doing something, create B-roll. If you're dressed up looking cute, take a video of you walking up. Then you can pick quotes over on top of it. If you're out at a restaurant, if you're out somewhere, take videos of all this, and then you'll always have unlimited content to just put quotes on. You can talk about giving them knowledge about what it's like to own a business. When you're doing content and you want to reach people, you have to realize the psychology of how people work. They like things that look good. They also have a FOMO, fear of missing out. So if you're walking around and you're somewhere on a boat or on a trip or something, you got a video, show them what they could have if they only buy your vendors list. Let them know that it's possible for them to happen. You have to inspire them and give them hope. And by watching your life, if you're doing something fun, then people will want to purchase that because they're going to want what you have. So if you're out on a vacation, laying back, take a video, take a photo, and then right on top of it, I got my vendors. How about you? This is how I did it. This is how I started my business, on top of your video of you sipping a daiquiri somewhere. It just depends on the type of person you are. If you don't have a glamorous life, that's okay. Sit down, make a video, B-roll if you type on a computer. Put a B-roll if you clean up your house. B-roll is any kind of video footage, so don't get mixed up on the terms. Cleaning up your house. Take a video of you walking down the street. Take a video of you getting dressed. You could even do talking videos, talking about why you wanted to start a business or how much you make monthly with your business, and just Google video ideas. TikTok, get inspiration from other people's videos. Don't copy, make it different and make it better. Make sure you're making high quality videos. Use your back camera. Let me know in the comments if y'all want me to make a video talking about different ideas for content. People are also vain, so make sure that you're looking good in your videos. Make sure you have a nice background in your videos. That's going to make people want to stop scrolling. Make stuff attractive. And also put your link to your website or your Stan store in your Instagram bio, in your YouTube descriptions, in your TikTok bio. A lot of social media are promoting lives right now. Streaming is very popular, so they're promoting that. So go live, sit down, talk to people, show them your life. People are attracted to your life as well if you have interesting things going on. If not, give them knowledge, give them inspiration. Go live, talk to people, connect with people. When people are able to see that they can reach you and relate to you, they're more likely to buy. They feel comfortable with you. Show up every day, even batch your content so that you can go take one day and do your content and then post it. Like if it's on TikTok, you can post it in your draft and then post every day. Make sure you're doing something every day. And I guarantee you, if you do this for put out 5 pieces of content today and see if you don't get somebody buying your vendors list. I'm telling you, this works. Don't think it don't work. Believe in yourself, because I believe in you. And if you do this, if you made it to end the video, then that tells me that you're serious about making passive income and having a better life. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Check my description for all the links as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.